So hello guys, today I got this new mixer, so let's unbox it. I just got the package. Let's unbox. Oh shit, how to open this? Okay, just I need to put this in. Oh, there is also tape. Oh, okay. Okay. I have to put this out. Like this. Got it. Noob unbox. But let's see what we got inside. Yo. First thing is the manual. Don't need it. Okay, we got something. Caps for. Let me open this. Okay, nice. With rubber band. Let's put it aside. Let's take out the unit one by one. This is nice. Put it aside. Let me throw all other things out. Now another unit. This is another unit. Great. Now take out the other. This is another unit. Nice. Great. What? We have got brush. Nice. I don't need it, so let's put it inside. And here is our main unit. Throw this aside. This is the mixer, guys. Now let's open. Oh shit. Brand new. Why is this tape? Okay, this is the mixer. How is it, guys? Comment down. And we got 2 steps, 1 and 2, and this is auto. Oh, this is holding mode. Okay, so this is a mixer, and also I have this thing somewhere. I have some other thing too. This one, what is this? This type of caps, and this cap, it's like a jar. Okay, and this is for spices, I guess. So that's all, guys. This is my mixture. From this box I got these useful items, and you can see all those waste items that I don't need. Even here is another. Even this box, throw it.